Hey everyone, my name's Maureen and I'm a health fitness professional here at TMMK Fitness. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make some hummus stuffed bell peppers for our September in the kitchen recipe. These are a great fall seasonal dish. You can bring them to tailgating events and have a more healthy plant-based protein snack. And what you're going to need for them are some of the mini bell peppers that you can get. You'll need at least 16 and you're going to cut them in half. And then you're also going to need some garbanzo beans, olive oil, cumin, salt, and lemon juice. So like I said, you're going to cut the bell peppers in half and put them to the side. And then you're going to take your garbanzo beans, olive oil, lemon juice, and spices, and you're going to blend them up in a blender or a food processor, whatever you have. And it should end up looking something like this. Basically, you're just making hummus. And what you're going to do is take your pepper halves, spoon your hummus, and just set them right in there. And at the end of the recipe, you'll get a full plate of them, and they should look something like this. So these are our hummus stuffed bell peppers. I hope you guys enjoy.